Every year for Christmas season, I can show my expertise in synchronized displays of Christmas lights.
That's our all-time tune music.
Now I'm so excited, all my neighbors are delighted for my synchronized display of Christmas lights.
Let's watch new Christmas music.
40 lighting manuals to program 500 channels for my synchronized display of Christmas lights.
Perfectly tuned music.
From Thanksgiving until New Year, 8 hours a night, they'll be here synchronized displays of Christmas lights. Hey, come look at my house and check out the front yard. The lights are time to music. Quit my job November just to dazzle this December with my synchronized display of Christmas lights.
Our all-time tune music.
My wife called me mentally ill, seeing the electric bill from synchronized displays of Christmas lights.
Perfectly tuned music.
Spent my kids' college tuition on my holiday tradition, synchronized displays of Christmas lights.
New Christmas music.
The neighbor's being an Ebenezer just cause his kid has a seizure, synchronized displays of Christmas lights. Hey, come look at my house and check out the front yard. The lights are timed to over 20,000 notes.
Christmas music, synchronized to Christmas music. Everybody look, the lights are synchronized to Christmas music.
Reindeer twinkling, greetings blinking. I think Christmas cheer is priceless. But my wife said, this is stupid and probably a midlife crisis. So she packed up all her bags and moved out of the house with lights still timed to music. Now my only sanctuary, they stayed on through January, synchronized displays of Christmas lights.
Our all-time tune music.
Yeah, so my light addiction finally led to an eviction, ending synchronized displays of Christmas lights. That flashed to Christmas music. Now I sleep by railway stations with my Christmas decorations. Starbucks told me you can't be here when I plug in just one reindeer. And since lights are my primary focus, I use the library where I edit. Can you guess it? Videos of houses that have many colored flashing, blinking, synchronized displays of